Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you recover your archive post or how can you recover your archive reels on your Instagram. If you have archived any of your post or any of your content on your Instagram, how can you recover that content on your mobile phone, and how can you make them display again on your Instagram profile? So let's start this video from here. The first step is to go on your Instagram here like this. I'm going, and I have already updated my Instagram. So now you can see this is my homepage on my Instagram, and I already updated it. What I have to do, I will click on my profile option on the right bottom of the screen like this, and this is my, you can see this is my all post, and whenever I will swipe right, these all are my reels. How can I just unarchive the reels or videos which I have make them? The first step is to click on the three dots on right top of screen like this. Click on that, and after that I have to go on the archive option on the third. You can see below your activity, you can see there is an option called archive. Click on the archive option. You can see my all story, all photos, and all the posts are archived here. I can unarchive, or I can also save these stories into my mobile phone directly from this menu. This is story archive. I will go on the post archive here. You can see all your archive post, that is all my post, and go to the live archive. You can also see your live videos archive. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.